Do you live in Northeast Columbia or surrounding communities? Do you have a tankless water heater? Did you get it flushed? Most people in the community don't know you're supposed to get it flushed. Why? Why don't you know that you're supposed to get your tankless water heater flushed annually? Well, here's the reason why. When they put these water heaters in, they didn't intend for you to maintain them and keep them around so you wouldn't have to replace them. But if this thing clogs up, calcium builds up in the system. You may have seen a pink ring in your toilet or in your tub, but that pink ring means that calcium is building up and you need to get your tankless water heater flushed. The reason why they don't tell you is because they don't want you to know. They want you to have to replace that tankless water heater. If you replace it, it's $4,000 to $6,000. But if you just flush it, you can maintain your water heater annually about $250 to about $400. Most companies charge a little bit more than that. But get your tankless water heater flushed today. 803-665-0927.